Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad bin Shahid and I am a student of Rehan School and I am a potential Hour student. Today I would like to share my review of TEDx Talk, how to change your status more effectively by Sohan Odell. This talk completely changed the way I think about stress before watching it. I believe that stress was always harmful and should be avoided. However, Sohan Odell explained that stress is actual a natural person from our body. It is a design to help us focus challenges, stay alert, and form better when we need to. One of the most important lessons I learned is that we cannot move stress from our life completely. Instead, we should learn how to manage it in healthy and effective ways. Stress becomes a problem only when it lasts for a long time without giving our body enough time to recover. The speaker also explained that what happen inside your body during stressful situation. Our brains send signals that realize hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones increase our heart rate, sharpness, and focus, and prepare us to respond quickly. The reaction is useful in short-term situation, but if stress continues for week or month, it can affect both our physical and mental health. And other point from the dog is the recovery is just important and as hard work. We should make time relax, sleep well, exercise regular, and need time with family and friends. These simple habits help our body recover from stress and keep us healthy. I also learned that changing our mind can make a big difference. Instead of thinking stress, it is my enemy. We can think stress is preparing me to handle this challenge. This positive way to thinking help us feel more confident and reduce fear. After watching this talk, I realized that manage stress is not about avoiding difficult situation. It's about building healthy habits, taking break when need, and maintaining a balance between work and rest. In my own life, I plan practice better time management, get enough sleep, exercise more often, and stay calm during challenges situation. I also want to remember that asking for help from family, friends, and teacher is a sign of strength of weakness. In conclusion, this TED talk is informative, practical, and inspiring. Sohan Odell teaches us that stress is a normal part of a life, but with that right habit is mindset, we can manage it effectively and live in a healthy, happier life. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.